Hi friends, what's up and welcome back. I hope you're doing well. And today I'm reviewing Nike Air Force One limited editions. So coming straight to the box, you could see Air Force One of one written here, and over here you could see the colorway, which is basically mentioned. Right, so these are like the unisex sneakers. So it has like the men's and the women's both the sizes. And coming straight to the unboxing, you could find a card where you could see the entire architecture of these sneakers, and you could definitely figure out that these comes with the removable skins. And at the back you could see the hashtag one of one. So this card represents the entire architecture of the sneakers, and you also get the set of swoosh, heel tabs, and the tongues, which are like definitely replaceable, and the really cool laces. So this has like a very special packaging, and nobody knows the exact number produced by the Nike. But all we know that these are like very limited edition and special sneakers, and the sneaker is definitely made of very high quality. Hats off to that. The entire removable skins is made up of leather, and as you could see, the entire pattern of the sneakers is like very interesting. As we have seen in the card, you could remove the swoosh and replace it with the orange and olive with the tiger straps on it. This is cool. And these sneakers also looks like a lot like 3D, right? I mean, these sneakers have a lot of removable skins, and there was like an entire collection of one of one which was launched by Nike. So if you have collected all of them or lucky enough to get your hands on, you could definitely play around with a lot of things. And when I remove the heel tab, you could again see the Air Force One of one written here, and then it has a very interesting tiger olive pattern, and you could also see the leopard pattern here. And coming to the toe box, right, toe box also has a removable skin, and the entire material is made up of special kind of leather. The overall toe box is again made of very high quality. Nike has given a lot of well cushioning towards this. There's a very good support and a lot of the complete Air Force One architecture. Coming to the tongues are again decently padded, I would say, not really well padded, but I could again play around with the tongues and have a lot of special, tongue skins on it. So it has got a lot of areas where you could definitely play with it. Nike hasn't compromised on on its Air Force One architecture. It has got the very strong, midsole, and the outer sole again, has very good grip. It's like of very high quality. So overall, I definitely love the sneakers considering the price point where it was dropped. If you are lucky enough to cop them at retail, you are like, done a value for investment kind of a thing. And definitely, I really love them. The quality, the overall feeling, the overall architecture, it's like really awesome. And if you can find them, just cop them, just don't leave them, because these are like special editions and special collections, and you would never know when you could find them. So just definitely let me know whether it's like a cop or a drop. But for me, this is like a definitely cop, and looking forward to see you in the next one. Thank you so much.